All right. Good morning to you. It's about 5:30, somewhere around there. Don't feel like getting up to grab my watch. And the markets appear to be up. They're up about 12 points right now. And they're getting a little stronger. Just as I was setting up, I think I saw they were up like 8 points. Pushing up 12 points. And it makes for an interesting setup. The S&P. I'm a little choppy because I'm pouring my coffee right now while I talk to you. Lord knows you got to have your coffee. So while I pour my coffee, do me a favor. Big favor. All you guys who subscribe, hit the like. And like me up. And everybody who's new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell. This way, you know when I'm up and running and popping out ideas. If there's anything you guys want to hear about or want me to do, just drop it in the comments. I read the comments. I appreciate the content, and I'm happy to do a little bit of work and help you guys along the way. So that being said, let's take a quick look at what we got. So quickly, we'll look at the daily right here. And classic, man, classic. Okay, we have all these strong bars up. Little consolidation today. Today's an up day. We're up about 8 points right now. But if we break yesterday's high of 807, you know what that is. That's a bull flag. And we can make another nice move. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. But figure probably going to open midway. I'd say probably opened up about 93. We're above that right now, but I'm guessing 93. So I'm thinking we're going to open up mid bar, and it's iffy because you could turn around and break that low and continue that move down. We have 4 full up days right there coming off of this hammer. So it would be a nice orderly market if it did trade down a little bit, but light volume, still just midweek, so away it could go, very possible. And that momentum is supporting a flag, a bull flag. I keep saying that to make sure because I know I just regurgitate stuff from time to time. Call bull flags, bear flags. So anyway, so look, nice trend. I'm making another low. We've made a high right here. So the momentum is supporting it. I mean, an uptrender would make another lower high, higher low, and then away it goes. So so we'll keep our eye on that. So your first support, if it does turn around, your first support would be 762. Your second support would be 743. If it does turn around, that's a good trading day, man. Take advantage of that. The trigger would be at the low of 780. So you got 22 points on your first target, and then you got another 20 points on your second target. And a 40-point day down. Good orderly market. Those 70-point, 90-point days, those are ridiculous. I mean, 2% a day, that's a problem. Oh, that's good coffee. So anyway, keep an eye on that. So we're bullish. We're cautiously bullish because we have so many days running. But we're turning that momentum around, and it's supporting that bullish trend. But again, everything needs to consolidate a little bit. It's never a straight line up. And the longer that line goes, the older that trend is, the less reliable. This is just a quick look at the weekly, because the weekly is another issue. But look, the weekly momentum is starting to break out of that downward slope, and that's important. That's good. It's still a divergence, right? We still want to see this momentum starting to climb, but I don't know, man. I mean, I know that this is all a positive look, but that turning that momentum around, keeping it on that up move, it doesn't appear logical to me. It doesn't feel like that's what's going to happen. Yeah, that's it. Ichimoto cloud, and there's a whole bunch of indicators in that cloud. I eliminate most of them. I just use the cloud. It gives me a sense of perspective, um, and we're high above that cloud. So this really it looks back and it kind of gives you an idea of congestion and support. So this is a reasonable trading range, if you ask me, for the security. Yeah, just skimming above that cloud, and this bad boy is high. See right here, we're kind of messing with the clouds. You want to be able to mess with that cloud. You get above it a little bit, but then you pull back. You see right here, we're running along that cloud, and these are news catalysts that bring it down, comes back in, and you get around that, stick around that cloud, right? And then, well, here you see we got really high off the cloud, and this is last December, and then we work our way back to the cloud. A little bit of drama right in here to get there. 285. Oh, this is 2018. Did I say last day's December? To say, let's call it 230. So you're talking 50 points. 10% would be 200, 100. So 2.5% pullback. That's not bad in 2 days. I mean, you could work with that, right? I mean, I could work with that. 2.5%. I'm making money. Those, wake up, it's down 2%, pushes down another 2% kind of days. So that's hard to make money. So this is what I'm looking at. I mean, in my bones, I'm feeling a consolidation year, and I think we're going to bounce in a tight range. But that's my bones. We can't trade my bones. I mean, if we consolidate in a nice 10% range for the next year, build a good platform, and then mosey on up, that would be a nice, healthy market. That's what I'm looking for. So anyway, that's how I'm chewing it up. And that's what the week looks like. The week, I mean, we could turn around. The week could end up in a shooting star. But right now, we're gonna have to be bullish. Let's take a quick look at the 10-year. 10-year. Yeah, that baby's on its way up. If you ask me, tested the 20-day right here. It's above the 8. Oh no, it's tagging the 8. It's above the 13. No. So anyway, to play that, TBT is a short on bonds. So interest rates go up, TBT goes up. Turning around in the upper Keltner. 1710, I guess, would be a good target for it at this point. It's just going to grind its way up. We start getting involved. I think we got involved back around the 16s and kept getting involved around the 15s and moving on up. And I'm looking for like 22 to 28 on this thing over the next year and a half. And one of my free folk who communicates with me got into this Matterport Inc. and it I believe it had like the classic meme pattern and traded off. And she doesn't look good. Actually, it looks like it's getting ready. So right here you can see a trend reversal. So you watch this come down. We don't want to see it go as low as this right here, but it can test that low. and bounce off of it. But I would rather see it make a higher low. We could see this momentum rolling around, and then the trade would be entering right here, 2470. So I don't have any reason to buy it right now based on a daily. But if it broke this, it would be 2470. But this is classic meme pattern. So, you know, it's probably going to pop up a little bit and trade off. I don't know anything fundamentally about it. So just technically, there's nothing encouraging about the security. So I don't know what the catalyst is. You know, and you're just kind of waiting around for an entry. But I would wait for it to confirm. You know, getting in cheap is just catching that falling knife. You know, it's going down. You don't know when it's going to stop. So you got to wait for it to confirm its move up, and it doesn't confirm until it breaks here, and that just increases your probability of making money. It's not a guarantee. So anyway, you guys all know how I feel about these meme things. Oh baby, why you be so mean? And this is the 60-minute. Not telling me anything. Actually, I probably would have gotten out of this thing. Actually, I wouldn't have gotten involved with it, to tell you the truth, especially when I see a spike like that in a trade-off. I mean, this would have to break the high again for me to be convinced it's going to be moving, you know, right here to get in. Or, I mean, you could call this a bull flag right here. But for me, in order for me to say bull flag, I need a good strong bar. I need a bar to close up high. I don't need it to tag a high and retrace and then try to take the break of the bull flag. And if you don't understand how to trade a bull flag, drop it in the comments, man, and I'll go through it. There should be something in my videos. There should be like a learning series there. I haven't really focused on it, but I know that I've broken flags down. So, anywho, we're still in the you know, buy on the dip phase. Dip, dip, dip. So, and I've gone through what I like. I'll run down it. On the dip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. On the dip, I like AMD. I like Bank of America. On the dip, I like Honeywell. I like Costco. And on the dip, I like NVIDIA. And actually, anytime I like Aberdeen Physical Palladium. And down the line, I like Viacom on the dip. Viacom's going to be either merge or be bought out. I'm betting this year. All right, it's not inside information. Little birdie told me. So that's actually a buddy of mine I went to high school with. So you can't say too much because people will figure that out. But okay. Anyway, a little birdie told me. Viacom, you watch merger or buyout this year. Verizon pays nice interest, like it on the dip. ExxonMobil, a nice interest. Pays a nice dividend. And ExxonMobil, excellent dividend. Buy it on the dip. I'm also buying a few other things on the dip. I want to do a little bit of homework before I publish it, but I'll let you know once I get involved with them or start to get involved with them. I don't like to front run you guys. So, you know, once I start getting involved with a couple other companies I'm looking at, I'll let you know. So anyway, there you go, man. Let's see. Let's take a look at the futures right now. Oh, look, she pulled back. I'm looking at about up 6. Actually, on the futures, I like the 240 chart because whatever it does on the 240 is what it's going to do for the day, because that's pretty much half the day right there. So if you got a flag triggering on the 240, you know that you're going up. All right, so we're in a consolidation. Actually, I don't like that three bar down. Looks like it's going to do a little pull down. That's interesting. It's probably going to open flat at the market. But at the time of the market, we still got a few hours to go. So we're probably going to open flat. Looks like it might be a little bit of a head and shoulders. So if we break this low right here on the futures, you could probably expect more consolidation today. But that's a good flag too. You know, we get another day of a few points down, nothing aggressive, and that's a good consolidation for a bull flag. So we'll take it. We'll take it. You know, normally a bull flag is the pole or strong bar up, 2 bars down, and then the triggering bar. But this is not a perfect world. So, all right, folks, I won't keep you any longer. I appreciate the time. Just calm and cool when you're trading. A little meditation. You should be at peace in all things, and good luck trading.